So, welcome back to Sushmiaura Classes. We try to help you with 1% daily improvement. So, let's see another important interview question asked by the interviewer today. Okay, so you can see in the screen. Today's question is: explain the concept of overfitting in machine learning and how to address it. This is one very common question, if you will be knowing that. So let's see how to answer that. So in order to answer, we should be stating what is overfitting. Next, we should explain the causes, and third, we can explain the remediation. So let's start with the first part. So overfitting can be explained as a machine learning scenario in which the model learns the details of the noise along with the features on the training data. In such cases, what will happen is that they will perform exceptionally well on the training sets, but their performance will accuracy precision will be visibly reduced in case of test data. What will be the causes for such a scenario? So it can occur if there is insufficient training data compared to the model complexity, if there is lack of regularization techniques. It can even occur if there are a lot of noisy or irrelevant features in the dataset. Or fourth scenario under which it can occur is that the model is extremely complex related to the number of parameters in comparison to the number of parameters or features. Okay, so this is how you can explain what is overfitting and what can cause it. Now, to address the next part, we will have to see what are the strategies how to address the overfitting, right? So from the causes itself, we can explain this and how to handle the scenario. So the one of the primary or the most easiest thing is that we can simplify the model, that is we can reduce the complexity based on the parameters, and we can use simpler algorithms. So the second most important technique we can use is regularization technique. Now regularization techniques can be added in two ways. One is the lasso or ridge regularization. It will be in case of the the regression and traditional models, and in case of neural networks we will have to implement dropouts to address the overfitting. Okay, in the third most step we can use is that we can use more data so that it can generalize better. Okay, fourth method, cross validation. So the data k-fold cross validation or other cross validations can be used to evaluate the models on multiple subsets of data. Okay, fifth thing that can be implemented is by early stopping of the learning mechanism. Sixth way is feature selection. You can remove the irrelevant or the noisy set. As we know, right, garbage in, garbage out. So we can filter out the features and keep, based on the BA discussions with the BAs, we can keep only the required features. And last but not the least, it's another way is that data augmentation. It is mostly used for image or text data, right? So we augment the data set by creating various variations like flipping, rotating images, enlarging minimizing them, and then we can train the models. Okay, so let's just repeat how to address overfitting. One strategy is that simplifying the model. Type 2 is by implementing regularization techniques. Type 3 is means solution 3 can be by implementing more data. Fourth is implementing cross validation. Fifth, early stopping. Sixth, feature selection. Seventh, data augmentation. Okay, so that's it. That's how you will have to answer this question on how to explain what is overfitting and how to address it. Okay, so with this we will stay connected and hit like and subscribe to keep us motivated. Thank you.